Welcome to our channel.
So as you can see, we're all comfy and ready to eat. So basically, हम गए थे food hall.
Food Square.
So basically, it used to be food hall.
Now it
वो
is
सेम जगह
Food
पे
Square.
अब food square खुला है.
So Food Square is a one-stop gourmet shopping destination. It is over 25,000 square feet and 4 floors wide. So it's a big
बहुत
shopping
बड़ा
mall
है. Like we ended up spending 2 hours almost
and a lot of money.
just roaming around the place. So basically, ये बहुत popular हो रहा है आजकल because Kareena Kapoor, along with her 2 sons, and even Saif Ali Khan,
Yeah.
काफी like occasionally visit करते हैं वहाँ पर.
celebrities,
काफी
काफी
celebrity. हम लोग भी कल shopping कर रहे थे तब हमें 2 TV celebrities मिले. एक थी करिश्मा तन्ना and the other one was Kashmira Shah. So I feel like it's a usual thing to like see a lot of celebrities there. So if you want to do like celebrity spotting and if you're from Mumbai, this is a good spot. But in general, I feel like just देखने के लिए चीजें
इतनी सारी चीजें जो कभी देखी नहीं है, सुनी भी नहीं है, ऐसे
Yeah.
बहुत सारी चीजें थे. उसमें से कुछ हम लेके आए हैं to try today.
करेक्ट. मेनली हम फ्रूट्स लेके आए बिकॉज वी वर इंट्रीग्ड बाय द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सोटिक फ्रूट.
Yeah.
स्नैक्स की बात करें तो बेसिकली स्नैक्स का सीन ये है कि आजकल स्नैक्स
Almost everywhere you get like the snacks that are there in the US, Europe.
Yeah.
But थोड़े उसमें भी यूनिक स्नैक्स हमें मिले.
तो थोड़े से हम स्नैक्स लेके आए, थोड़े से ड्रिंक्स लेके आए. मेनली इट्स अबाउट फ्रेश प्रोड्यूस, सो लाइक फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स,
From all around the world.
या फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. लिटरली मुझे बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स पता भी नहीं था ऐसे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. एनीवे, so I guess we'll get started with today's video.
Let's eat.
Okay, so the first thing that we have is,
An artichoke.
I'm not even kidding, like before we went to Food
Square.
मुझे इतने सारे रील्स नहीं शॉर्ट्स आ रहे थे ऑफ पीपल ट्राइंग आर्टिचोक. सो बेसिकली यू आर सपोज्ड टू हैव दिस विद दिस बटर डिप एंड सम चीज.
Okay.
And how you're supposed to eat it is
पानी उड़ रहा है.
so you take this, you dip it and then you peel it. जैसे मैंगो खाते हैं वैसे. Smell it.
चाय का स्मेल आ रहा है.
It smells very green, like matcha जैसा almost.
Yeah.
ले पकड़, this is for you.
का खाने लायक है ना.
So इसको बॉईल किया है, by the way, मैंने around 40.
We had tasted artichoke dip when we went to the US. So I'm
That's
hoping
true.
कि उसके आसपास टेस्ट आए इसकी. Cheers.
Cheers.
कुछ नहीं. थोड़ा सा आया.
मुझे नहीं आया, कुछ भी नहीं आया मुझे. इनफ पल्प नहीं था शायद मेरे में. तुझे कैसे आ रहा है, मुझे क्यों कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
अच्छा है.
एक सेकंड, आई नीड टू लाइक.
आया अभी. मेन होता है आर्टिचोक का उसका हार्ट. That is
जो-
supposed to be extremely tasty.
So for that we're gonna have to peel every single one of these.
We'll be back.
Finally we've made it to the heart, but इसका भी hair निकालना है. It's so weird, like the texture. Oh my god. Aditya is still enjoying the artichoke.
अभी 2 लोग का काम थोड़ी है वो. So I don't think we did it right.
We're not eating this.
क्योंकि हेयर निकालने के बाद डायरेक्ट बॉटम है कुछ, मतलब there's no heart that we can see.
Or the choke is what they call it.
It's called artichoke because apparently if you eat it wrong यहाँ से you can choke. ऐसा बोल रहे थे. बोल तो ये भी रहे थे कि वो हेयर के नीचे you see the eating part of it, but
काफी messy process है. Do you think if one hasn't tried this, they're missing out on something?
not in this way. Artichoke dip, yes. Ready made, yes.
This, yeah, I don't think so. Like, it's very messy and it costs 1,200 rupees for one artichoke. दांत में कच्चे हैं.
नहीं मेरे.
Next up, we have this lemon from Italy, which is for
414 rupees.
a single lemon. So we really wanted to taste what it tastes like.
Even though we have, when we went to Italy, we have tasted this,
हाँ correct.
but
So really cool thing that Aditya pointed out,
Yeah.
मुझे बिल्कुल भी स्ट्राइक नहीं हुआ. इटली में इसके अंदर इसको कार्व करके इसके अंदर आइसक्रीम देते थे वो लोग.
हाँ.
Sorbet.
sorbet बहुत मस्त था वो.
बहुत टेस्टी था. So we've decided to make like lemon soda situation.
फ्रेश लाइम सोडा जिसमें 414 रुपीस का नींबू है.
ASMR guys.
अदरवाइज फ्रेश लाइम सोडा नॉर्मली एक 100-150 रुपीस का फ्रेश लाइम सोडा आता है पूरा. इधर तो 414 का सिर्फ नींबू, शक्कर, सोडा सब अलग.
Cheers. Why does it taste like like पता है लेमन सिरप आता है. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. For some reason it doesn't taste like a normal नींबू flavor.
नींबू वाला वो फ्लेवर नहीं है, बट अच्छा टेस्ट है.
बहुत टेस्टी है. एकदम फॉरेनर नींबू पानी लग रहा है.
परफेक्ट फॉरेनर नींबू पानी.
We have to take a bite just to tell.
नहीं पहले तू कर.
हाँ मैं भी करूंगी, दोनों करेंगे,
पहले
एक
तो
साथ करेंगे. पकड़. Oh look at it guys. Like every triangle separates.
भाई मेरा नहीं है.
थोड़ा मीठा खट्टा है.
ऑरेंज के जैसा है.
It's citrusy, it tastes like a
Yeah.
lime at the end of the day.
लेमन.
Sorry, but it's very fancy looking. Like I love the way it looks.
इतना बड़ा नींबू मजा आता है.
What do we have next up?
These are kiwi berries from Japan. These are for 500 rupees. बहुत ही महंगा वीडियो है guys. Please watch till the end.
So basically from the inside it's supposed to look like a kiwi. At least उसके packaging में ऐसा था.
हाँ, and ऊपर fiber and potassium भी लिखा था, so it's healthy.
चल ट्राई कर. बहुत ही ऐसा पिचकू, ऐसे पता है जामुन रहते जो गिर गए रहते हैं
हाँ.
झाड़ पे से, एग्जैक्टली वैसा टेक्सचर है इसका. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी लाइक दैट. Bro, it literally looks like a mini kiwi and tastes like a mini kiwi.
But sweeter.
Yeah, you're right. It's kiwi but sweeter. एक और खाऊंगी मैं.
भी.
Fun. I'll give it like a 4 out of 5.
4 on 5 same.
So from Korea, we have their Korean pear जो इतना बड़ा था. कितने का ये?
1032 का एक कोरियन पेयर.
चलो देखते हैं.
इतना
कैसा
महंगा
है?
कोरिया में भी नहीं खाया रहेगा.
It looks like an apple
Yeah.
and a pear. Pear actually does look like an apple.
Yeah.
So, pear.
चूना लगा गई.
चूना लगा दिया.
आँख बंद करके खाते हैं. कुछ अलग लगे.
हाँ.
सेम है. ज्यादा जूसी है.
क्या करूँ, 1000 रुपए का ज्यादा जूस का क्या करूँ मैं. चलेगा नहीं रहेगा जूसी तो.
है ज्यादा जूसी तो है फॉर श्योर. रेटिंग दो.
2 on 5.
I have a feeling the next thing is also going to taste like a regular apple.
These are apples from New Zealand. 350 rupees के 5 apples आए. है महंगा बट एक्सट्रीमली महंगा नहीं है. ठीक है.
करेक्ट. मैं और लाल वाला खाऊंगी.
हाँ,
आदित्य ने
you want?
सबसे लाल वाला.
अरे ले रे यार तू.
नहीं तू खा.
अरे खा यार.
अरे तू खा. अरे
एक ही खाते दोनों.
ऐसे ऐसे खाते हैं.
दोनों एक ही खाते हैं.
दोनों कैसे एक ही खाएंगे?
अरे क्या एक
नहीं
बार-
ऐसे खाएंगे. क्यों नहीं हो
अरे
रहा है?
बराबर हो रहा है, ऐसे ही है.
चूना लगा दिया.
मतलब यार it just tastes like a regular apple.
क्यों अपने को लगा कि न्यूजीलैंड से एप्पल इसके लिए अलग रहेंगे.
क्रिस्पी है.
ये क्रिस्पी एप्पल और वाटरी पेयर का ना मेरे को कोई शौक नहीं है. चलेगा.
क्या था ये?
पैलेट क्लेंस. नेक्स्ट अप.
हमें बहुत उम्मीद है ये चीज से because both of
Because-
us love mangoes.
And because it's a mango from Peru. Wow.
Oh my god! Wow! So,
And cost wise 1275 rupees का एक आम आया है.
चिल्ला क्यों रहा है? एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है आदित्य को.
मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेशन और एक्साइटमेंट दोनों हो रहे हैं.
मैं फर्स्ट बाइट ले रही हूँ.
बताइए पेरू जैसा टेस्ट करता है कि मैंगो जैसा.
इट टेस्ट लाइक दैट लंगड़ा मैंगो होता है ना.
तोतापुरी टाइप.
Yeah.
1300 रुपए का तोतापुरी आम, वो भी एक.
So personally, I'm a little bit of a, mango.
Hoichi mango.
Yeah. So I personally only prefer eating hapus. So
It's true.
this doesn't. Hapus is like elite.
She won't eat if you give her any दूसरा type like तोतापुरी दो, बादामी दो, कुछ भी.
I can smell. I mean, I think most people can like smell and tell,
हाँ,
and I won't eat it if it's not hapus.
So that means ये पेरू वाला आंबा मैं खाऊंगा.
नहीं अच्छा है. I'm gonna give it like a 2 out of 5.
अच्छा है, but normal mango है. Not worth the price. But
It looks very cool. Like it's
हाँ.
bigger. It's like reddish orange, but taste wise,
3 on 5.
Since हम mango खा ही रहे, we have another thing from the mango family. So this is called.
A mango plum. It's from Thailand.
Correct. So it's supposed to taste like a mango, but it's supposed to have the consistency of a plum. Direct bite मारना है इसको. At least online ऐसे ही खा रहे थे सब लोग.
To be honest, I'm a mango lover. मतलब मुझे मैंगो का कुछ भी दे दो मैं खा लूंगा. So I'm hoping ये भी अच्छा लगे.
It does have the texture of a plum.
Taste of a mango.
बहुत ही ऐसा weird experience होता है ना कि तुम मैंगो खा रहे हो कि प्लम खा रहे हो, ऐसा हो रहा है.
बहुत अलग कुछ है, but मस्त है.
वाओ. कितना रेटिंग?
4 on 5.
इतना 3.5 from my end.
This was 1000 rupees for one box and एक box में कुछ 10 pieces है. So roughly 100 rupees per piece.
By the way, इसको कट करते तो it's supposed to be purple from the inside.
हाँ, जो seed है वो.
Let's try. I want to see. Moment of truth.
Oh.
It is purple indeed. So cool ना?
दिख रहा भी कितना मस्त है.
बहुत pretty लग रहा है. So here we have kumquats.
Kumquat
Kumquats
from Spain.
from Spain. These are not mini oranges. It's a separate fruit.
Yeah.
And by the way, you can eat it whole. Like इसका skin निकालने नहीं पड़ता. You're supposed to roll it in between your fingers to release the natural oil. It does smell like an orange.
Yeah.
But I have, मतलब usually when you eat orange ka skin, it's kadwa.
Yeah.
Right? I'm interested to see what this one is like. क्यों? Acting कर रहा है.
But
Yeah, it does taste like an orange only. Like eating orange skin. One second, I'm gonna give it a fair shot.
मैं बोला तो मैं गिरते गिरते बचा पीछे.
भाई कितना खट्टा था, नींबू खाया.
Guys, 1 on 5. Next up we have pitahaya or a yellow dragon fruit from Ecuador.
Also looks like a dragon fruit, but इसमें थोड़े
The seeds are bigger.
reddish, हाँ, and they are bigger also. Aditya ka, by the way, one of his favorite fruits is dragon fruit.
Which
So,
according to her is tasteless.
yeah, I feel like it doesn't taste like anything. I think it looks beautiful, but taste. क्या हुआ, नहीं अच्छा?
Did you
It
get the
tastes-
aftertaste?
It tastes like someone farted in your mouth. Right? What is this?
Aftertaste क्या आया कि नहीं? वो seeds चबाया? Seeds चबा?
Gets worse.
कितने का ये? 750. It does not taste good. It's -5 on 5. चलना भाई. So after a very disappointing experience with the dragon fruit, मेरा normally dragon fruit का भूत उतर गया पूरा उससे.
We have a fruit called persimmon. So persimmon, मुझे पता चला ऐसा fruit है जब मैंने कटरीना कैफ को
Yeah.
सुना था बोलते हुए that she really likes this
Yeah.
fruit.
It's one of her favorite fruits.
We think. Not like she's told us.
Yeah.
Let's taste it. It looks like a tomato.
Doesn't smell like anything.
It smells really weird. Like कच्चा smell आ रहा है ना?
Smells like a fruit you should not eat.
Yeah.
मस्त है.
बहुत अलग है. Like it's not, I can't compare it to any fruit that I know.
The texture is very different. The taste is different. But it's nice. It's yummy. And juicy.
Bro, I've never tasted anything like this.
True.
So this has anti-cancer properties.
Yeah.
It's very high in vitamin C, high in fiber.
Yeah. Good for your blood circulation, blood pressure, for your vision.
Clearly हमने गूगल कर लिया है. So it's a good fruit, I guess. हमारे यहाँ से नहीं है ये,
This one is from Spain.
Spain,
And it
correct.
was for 350 rupees for one piece.
which is obviously expensive. It is expensive actually. I can't justify it.
But it's a different experience. You
Yeah,
can try.
you should try this one. The last fruit that we have is the most expensive fruit.
Yes, these are cherries from Chile and they are for 1760 rupees for 450 grams ka packet, which is very expensive.
These are very like big, juicy looking cherries. बहुत बड़ी है ये cherries. Normal cherry है.
ओ चूना
fact-
लगा दिया
Major!
इनफैक्ट कड़वा है आफ्टर टेस्ट, है ना?
पैसे भी ज्यादा भरो, कड़वा भी है.
So cherry is one of my like top 5 fruits,
Yeah.
but ये cherry अगर ये cherry मिलती इंडिया में तो मेरे top 5 में नहीं रहता.
नहीं
Like
रहता.
usually cherries are like sweet, little sour. This is sweet-ish and bitter.
The aftertaste is very weird.
Yeah.
तो मजा नहीं आया.
दिखने में बहुत सुंदर है.
दिखने में बहुत अच्छे है, but मजा नहीं आया. Like a 1 on 5.
Now we're moving on to drinks. So as we mentioned earlier कि drinks almost सब आजकल मिलने लग गए.
Yeah, सब कुछ मिलता है.
So हमें जो थोड़ी सी यूनिक चीजें जो लगी
Yeah.
वो हमने
बहुत-
पिक अप किया.
बहुत सारी थी, but उसमें भी ऐसे जो एकदम आई कैचिंग लगा तो
We have something that's supposed to be healthy. So this is
the cordyceps shroom coffee.
so mushroom की कॉफी है ये.
And that to cordyceps. So my favorite game is called The Last of Us. And
All time favorite.
all time favorite game. And उसका एक अभी टीवी शो भी निकला है. And उसमें जो zombies है, they basically become zombies because of this cordyceps fungus. तो उसका ही ये मशरूम कॉफी है.
Obviously real life में ऐसा नहीं होता है. But
इसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा यूनिक लगा, so try
Correct.
करके देखते हैं.
so
It sounds weird. Fungus coffee sounds weird.
yes, you go first since you love it so much. So इसमें है cordyceps mushroom, इसमें अश्वगंधा और 2-3 अच्छी चीजें.
Scientific terms. Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like regular black coffee.
Tastes also pretty similar. थोड़ा वो healthy coffee taste आ रहा है. I think
I
because
mean,
of the
we
ashwagandha.
could get used to it, I feel
Yeah.
like.
Because of the ashwagandha थोड़ा वो taste I think healthy taste आ रहा है उसको एक आयुर्वेदिक ये. But अच्छा है. Like a 3.5 on 5.
So the next item isn't something that's very unique, but I wanted to give a shout out to this particular item. So ये है pistachio cream cheese.
Truffle.
Truffle, correct.
cream cheese.
And साथ में crackers है basic.
Sea salt crackers.
Fine. But इतना tasty है ये. Especially like paired with, it's supposed to be kind of in like a charcuterie board almost with like grapes and dry fruits and wine. It pairs really well. बहुत tasty है ये. So just a suggestion, you can probably try it next time when you're there. You can actually try it in the store.
Yeah.
We did not mention this. That in the store, a really cool thing is that a lot of samples are put out there. Like fruit cut up होता है, noodles होते हैं बने हुए, cheese होता है try करने के लिए.
5 on 5. स्मेल तो बहुत मस्त है वाटरमेलन का.
So usually, we're not big fans of energy drinks.
Yeah.
But ये बहुत ही cool लग रहा था. So ये Netflix X Squid Game का watermelon flavor energy drink था ये. So we had to try it out. By the way, मैंने अभी तक Squid Game का second season नहीं देखा है. मैंने first season देखा है and I really liked it. Comment down below if you've seen Squid Games and if I should watch the second season or not.
You can't leave it at the first season. You have to watch the second.
Wait, what does it taste like?
Watermelon boomer.
Yeah, exactly. Bro, याद है वो बूमर आता था जिसके बीच में से जेली होता था और फिर वो ग्रीन कलर का, क्या एपिक, मतलब it was a very weird texture.
But
But
एकदम
the
same
taste.
अमिताभ बच्चन 7 करोड़ टाइप चिल्लाया. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
4 on 5.
बहुत sweet है but.
हाँ बहुत स्वीट है. 4 on 5.
2.5 out of 5. कितने का है ये?
800 रुपीज का है तो थोड़ा
एक पॉइंट कम कर दे.
हाँ 1 पॉइंट कम जरा.
Cool.
उससे अच्छा 2 रुपए का बूमर खा ले.
Almost towards the end of today's video. So we have a few desserts.
We were off sugar till the time we reached the dessert section there, and then हमारा no sugar conveniently चले गया.
Because look at these. So this, like the end of the cone, is supposed to be like the best part, right? And this one is in white chocolate, which is both of our favorite. I think for you, white chocolate though is definitely number one. I think probably for me also. Cheers. तो पूरा खाना है. मुझे कुछ फ्लेवर ही नहीं आ रहा है.
आ रहा है मैडम, आ रहा है.
मस्त है.
बहुत अच्छा है. 250 रुपीज का पैकेट है. Mid
सबसे
expensive.
सस्ती चीज है ये. Probably.
Maybe, yeah. But अच्छा है. I would give it a 4 on 5. I liked it.
The last and final thing that we have is
Feastables by Mr. Beast. Both of us love Mr. Beast and his videos. And we of course had to try the Feastables. काफी
long
popular है ये.
overdue, long overdue.
It's anyway very popular, but करके देखते try.
349 का है ये. मेरे पास है peanut butter flavor.
I have milk chocolate. 349 is expensive by the way.
Yeah, but of course it's imported. Smells like peanut butter. अच्छा है काफी.
But it's a normal peanut butter flavor chocolate.
Yeah. Nice, but
Nice.
oh, it kind of tastes like a Reese's Buttercup.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Similar. The normal milk chocolate. Mr. Beast ने बनाया हुआ Cadbury.
Actually,
अमेरिका का Cadbury guys. 350 रुपए का इतना सा खा लो.
it feels so wrong to eat chocolate like this.
That is the correct way. You can't eat it सब उंगलियों पे लगा के and
I like to put it in my mouth and then let it melt.
that's still okay. Do you know how Adu used to
Even
do it?
I do that. Even I
पूरा
do
उसको
that.
मेल्ट करके she would have it all over her fingers and then fingers lick करने.
नहीं, मैं माइक्रोवेव में मेल्ट करके फिर स्पून से खाती थी.
वो
Oh,
अलग ही है, ये अलग ही है.
comment करके बोलो. Which is the right way to eat
There's no
chocolate?
right way, but which is your favorite?
Your way.
I would rate the peanut butter one a 3 on 5 and the
Same.
milk chocolate a 4 on 5. I like the milk
Milk chocolate I'll give 2.5 out of
What?
5. With that, we've come towards the end of the video. But एक favorite बताना है और एक not favorite बताना है.
Not favorite तो of course मतलब बहुत सारे थे. But of course number 1 पे तो वो ड्रैगन फ्रूट है भाई. उसका तो कोई बीट नहीं है.
+1.
नंबर 1 अनफेवरेट तो वही था. और क्या है? चेरीज भी अच्छे नहीं थे. वो कुमकुआट भी
Bas,
अच्छा
नहीं
नहीं था.
देना है एक ही
But
favorite बोल.
फेवरेट्स में अभी सबसे लास्ट में का तो मिस्टर बीस्ट वाला चॉकलेट तो बहुत अच्छा था. मिल्क चॉकलेट वाज गुड. But persimmons, I would say, is a new favorite that I
Okay.
would say. I like
For
it.
me, it was the tiny kiwi. What is it called?
Kiwi berries.
Kiwi berries, because बहुत ही like
अलग था.
अलग है, like, and अच्छा था, taste में भी अच्छा था. I think for the uniqueness, I'll say that it was my favorite. If you've made it so far to today's video,
And I
make
hope you
sure,
did because it's a very expensive video.
make sure to leave this emoji. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. हमें बहुत मजा आया. We got to
बहुत
try so many new things.
Yeah.
So that's it. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel because we're so close to 1 million.
Yes.
And yeah, that's basically it.
We'll see you in our next video. Bye.